Every smartphone begins its journey in one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities. Thousands of precision components arrive each day, each destined to become part of a single device. Silicon wafers form the foundation of the powerful chips that drive modern smartphones. Printed circuit boards provide the electrical pathways connecting every essential component. Surface mount technology allows thousands of components to be positioned with microscopic accuracy. Artificial intelligence instantly detects imperfections invisible to the human eye. Each aluminum frame is machined to exact tolerances measured in fractions of a millimeter. Advanced robotic systems assemble delicate camera modules with unmatched consistency. High-capacity batteries are installed under carefully controlled conditions to ensure safety and performance. The display is aligned with microscopic precision, transforming individual components into a recognizable smartphone. With the frame complete, delicate internal components are assembled in perfect sequence, forming the smartphone's electronic nervous system. Every screw is tightened with digitally controlled torque, ensuring durability without damaging sensitive electronics. Once the hardware is complete, every device receives its operating system and firmware through a fully automated programming process. Before leaving the factory, every smartphone undergoes hundreds of automated quality checks to verify flawless performance. The final camera calibration ensures every photo captures true color, sharp detail, and consistent performance before the device reaches customers. With production complete, every smartphone is carefully packaged and prepared for its journey to customers around the world. Behind every smartphone is a remarkable journey of precision, innovation, and human ingenuity, connecting millions of lives every single day. From raw materials to cutting-edge technology, every smartphone tells a story of engineering excellence. Thank you for watching.